Hello everyone, welcome to Meticulous Business Plans. Owning a self-made company or a business as you may say, and being a successful entrepreneur, famous founder, and a top businessman is a dream for many of us. It happens with most of us that we want to start our own business and own a company where our idea will flourish. But most of us keep procrastinating or just can't make the very first move. Why so? The common answer we get from people is, I don't have a good business idea. Secondly, they say, I don't have money. And the few end up saying, I am uncertain whether my business will be successful or not. In our opinion, these are just excuses for not being able to take the initiative. You can start a business at small scale where less capital will be required and uncertainty of being unsuccessful can be handled easily by focusing more on small businesses. Starting small is the very first step towards success. We know that world's top companies, Google, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Disney, Harley-Davidson, Dell, HP, all of these were started in a garage. So instead of excuses, analyze and find the best suited business idea and begin with the operations. Let us tell you about top 50 small-scale business ideas. These ideas are for everyone who wants to start their own business. First, let's say business ideas for villages and rural areas. Agriculture is the main occupation in India, especially in rural areas, and thus offers more opportunities in the food processing domain. The demand for fresh fruits and vegetables is increasing. Also, the demand for animal products such as meat, milk, and eggs have grown in the last few years. Farming is improved with new emerging technology. Considering all of these factors, some of the best small-scale business ideas for villages would be Now, let us see business ideas for small towns and urban areas. As the population is increasing, the demand for products and services are increasing in cities. People are preferring doorstep services that offer customized and homemade products. New companies and businesses are making potential use of logistics. Keeping these factors in mind, the best small-scale businesses to be started in cities are So these are some of the small-scale business ideas suggested by us that can help you get going. Also, if you have any more business ideas, you can suggest in the comments below. And if you are looking for assistance for starting your business, then get in touch with us. Meticulous Business Plan. Our contact details are provided in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for interesting business ideas, startup procedures, business opportunities, and much more. Press the bell icon and never miss any update. Thank you.